What the fuck's up, everybody? You were watching Real Hard Garage. This is the Gs550 Brat bike project. Today we are working on the fender. So without any further ado, that's right, today we are going to shape the rear fender mount. I started this like last year sometime, got it all welded on. I did this tail section here, I got this fender mounted, and I never shaped the block out, so it just looks like a giant block of steel. So obviously I don't intend on leaving it this way because it looks like garbage. So if you can see, I actually had drawn a shape on here, but I don't think that's what I'm gonna do now. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start taking some of this stuff apart so we can work back here, and I'm gonna kind of think about it as we go along there, and hopefully I come up with an idea. Alright, as you can see, we got it all shaped up. I want to make it look lighter than it is. It's a pretty thick plate. I'm going to put a slot in the middle here, take some meat off of this, and make the whole thing look a lot lighter. As far as the slot here, I drew a center line, and we're going to probably drill some holes and then file it out.
I see you showed up, damn what I mean you glowed up. I've learned my lesson, but damn, anyone can know that we ain't no different. I see you been steady missing. They always hop on and listen. I wish that I could dismiss them. Feeling right for the moment. She wanna waste time and I know it. She wanna get it right, get it going. We down for the night till the morning. I see, you know, that means I'm ready when she, I hate when you call when you need me, cry when you see me, but never wanna come my way. I just wanna try when I'm breathing, high when I'm dreaming, so I just want the time to say, why you keep falling out, falling out, falling out for me? Why you keep falling out, falling out, falling out for me? Why you keep falling out, falling out, falling out for me? Why you keep falling out, falling out, falling out for me? Changing your number, I see you been falling back. Pacing around it, I hear you been going mad. Times like this come alive, leave in the morning, stay for the night. Take what I want, but I pay for the time. Take what I want, but nah, you know, everyone gon' have a comment. I'm saving my best for stopping, so when you look back, I'm on it. I see, you know, that mean, I'm ready when she, I hate when you need me.
Alright, so we got this thing mostly shaped out. This would have been much easier to do this part, you know, in the drill press far before we welded it onto the bike, but this is just how it goes, especially when you know, are getting back to a project after it's been a while. I think what I'm gonna do is try to drill it out with the hand drill as best I can from small to large, and hopefully it turns out good. And it didn't work. And of course my hole ended up off center, and I decided, fuck it, I was gonna file a square. And just so you know, I didn't do this with anything fancy. A couple of files here. That's it. I made a rough square with the circle file here. I went at it with the triangle file. Finished it off with this little guy here in the corner. And yes, I'm tired. But I'm happy it's done. I think it looks really good. I'm happy about it. So we're gonna call that a wrap for the night.